Hello makers, welcome back to Simple Innovation. Today I'm gonna show you a simple voice control system using Google Speech API. So for the hardware, I'm using Raspberry Pi 3B Plus with voice head by Google AIY Project Voice Kit, also with its microphone. I've connected it to 3 LEDs and also a relay to control a light here. So I've activated a Google Speech API, my Google Speech API, and then I've written a simple Python script. So let's get started. I've run the Python script via Tony IDE, and then let's see what happened. Turn on the red light. Turn on the green light. Turn on the big light. Turn off the big light. Turn off the red light. Turn off the green light. Turn on the big light. Turn off the big light. So that's it, a simple voice control system using Raspberry Pi voice head from Google AIY Project Voice Kit and also Google Speech API. For more information and for full tutorial, you can check on my GitHub repo, link on description. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next simple project by Simple Innovation. Bye! Turn on the big light. Turn off the big light.